I remember watching Star Trek in my childhood and all the various mind-boggling devices in the series. The medical tricorder created by Von Chang still plays in my mind. This fictional device used by Dr. McCoy to instantly diagnose patients remains the holy grail of diagnostics. Over the last 30 years, generations of scientists have been inspired and challenged to invent a handheld, non-invasive device that can measure parameters such as blood pressure, respiratory rate, pulse rate, ECG, oxygen saturation, and also heart rate. And every year, this is getting closer to reality. Aider Health Inc., which received the CE mark approval, and Viacom CheckMe Pro have come closest to achieving this. These examples demonstrate the importance of diagnosis in clinical environment. An optimal treatment plan can be crafted only from unerring diagnosis, and an accurate diagnosis forms the foundation of a patient's journey to recovery and health. Welcome back to Global Healthcare Archives, and this week we're focusing on advances in diagnostic devices. While the importance of history-taking and physical examination in diagnosis by a doctor cannot be underestimated, it has to be supported by relevant diagnostic devices to further rule in or rule out pathologies. These devices are useful for confirming or negating suspected diagnosis, and also to help arrive at a diagnosis more rapidly and accurately. Take the humble stethoscope for starters. It's an instrument synonymous to the medical profession for centuries. This classic component, which has even been a part of children's toy sets, may have been relegated to the most basic tasks due to the arrival of very sophisticated electronic diagnosis tools. However, the 3M Littmann Core Digital Stethoscope has given the traditional stethoscope a new lease of life. Attached to an analog stethoscope, it seamlessly transmits analog and digital sound through Bluetooth to the cloud, from where a doctor can download it to a smartphone. It allows the visualization of waves, recording of the sounds, sharing of recordings, and also storing data in a patient's electronic health record. This in turn reduces costs related to unnecessary specialist care by helping general practitioners make more advanced measurements on their own. Similarly, LungPass, an AI-powered Bluetooth stethoscope, has been developed by Healthy Network, a company based in Thailand. The device can analyze sounds from lungs and help diagnose or monitor a variety of respiratory conditions. Interestingly, point-of-care testing has also been at the forefront of innovation. Point-of-care testing involves any test performed at or near a patient and at the place of treatment. Results are usually available immediately, allowing action without delay. A common example of this is the simple glucometer that doctors use for routine evaluation of blood sugar and is now also used by patients directly for diabetes at home care. The potential for growth in this category is tremendous, with Amazon launching a company called Choice to cater to this very segment. Similarly, Siemens' Epoch blood analysis system is a wireless solution used for patient-side testing of blood gas, electrolytes, and metabolites. The Epoch system delivers accurate results at the patient's bedside in about 30 seconds from only 90 ml of sample. Point-of-care testing is critical in diseases such as cancer and HIV, where early detection increases the chances of survival. We all know of the UN's ambitious 90-90-90 treatment for all, a strategy for reducing the prevalence of HIV across the world. This involves a goal where 90% of all people living with HIV will know their HIV status. 90% of all people with diagnosed HIV infection will receive sustained antiretroviral therapy. And 90% of all people receiving antiretroviral therapy will have viral suppression. Abbott Pharma has launched a new point-of-care test to achieve this goal through a quick, accurate, and easy diagnosis of HIV infection. Said to be the first test for viral load measurement at point of care, this new technique delivers results within 70 minutes, thereby enabling screening and treatment during that same visit of a patient. Additionally, the much-awaited launch of Stage Zero Life Sciences Aristotle, which screens for 10 types of cancer in a single blood test, increases the hope of point-of-care testing for patients with cancer. This path-breaking diagnostic aid has been in development for nearly 20 years, with a successful history of validation to date. The Multicare Panel platform has been demonstrated to identify a set of gene transcripts capable of classifying subjects as having a specific cancer with a high degree of sensitivity and specificity. But that doesn't just end at the initial diagnosis. While that is important, diagnostic devices checking the success of treatment or diagnosing post-operative complications are equally vital to ensure complete patient recovery. Longevity Neuro Solutions, a medtech company based in Maryland, has announced the FDA clearance of its ClearFit cranial implant for post-operative ultrasound imaging. These clear implants are used for cranial reconstruction after brain surgery and are custom-made for each patient. Usually CT or MRI is prescribed after brain surgery to check for surgical outcomes, which involves additional radiation exposure for the patient. And ultrasound imaging in the brain is usually not possible in adults as the skull obstructs sonographic waves. ClearFit's cranial implants allow for clinicians to perform this task by being nearly transparent to ultrasound. And no healthcare update today is complete without a mention of something to do with COVID-19. Stratos Labs, a company based in Philadelphia, obtained FDA clearance to introduce its RESP system for monitoring lung sounds. This device can be used to study the effects of disease and therapies on lung sounds, such as the effect of coronavirus, the effect of respiratory therapies, and of course, patient signs and symptoms. RESP attaches to the chest like a stethoscope, and then the articulation sounds, coughs, and wheezes are recorded and stored in the cloud, which can be accessed by clinicians for review at any time. Well, here I'm reminded of a quote by the famous physicist and author, Dr. Martin H. Fisher. Diagnosis is not the end, but the beginning of practice. So an accurate diagnosis forms the basis of an optimal treatment. With increased penetration of technology in healthcare, diagnostic devices are sure to develop at a fast pace in the coming years. Not only do they provide efficient and accurate diagnosis, but they also reduce the chances of human error. And honestly, I just really want to see the medical tricorder from Star Trek in action. Maybe hold it in my hand and play with it. Who knows when that's going to happen next. Well, that's all for Global Healthcare Archives this week. We look forward to seeing you again next week. Till then, stay safe.